analysis video on.
Let's go. Dude, okay. You know what I hate? You know what I really hate? It's
What?
Fusion ZSS. Love tap. I'm so pissed. How you hate Nave? You're a big dummy. How can you not like Nave? Nave is literally the best. That's yeah. Out of anybody to not like, Nave is the person who you should like. You're lame. Play Yoshi. Ask Matt.
Stop fucking looking at my phone whenever I
just happened to look to the right.
Jesus Christ, Jack. I'm trying to, like, browse Reddit or Snapchat.
Nave's not lame. Nave's chill. Nave does cool shit. He's also a hero. C-card. Don't fucking type.
Alright, so the last time that we watched these two, Nave asked the Chicago Discord for advice because he got bopped by Sight.
No,
So,
that's fair.
besides the obvious fact that Sight has a lot of experience, in the matchup, something that I noticed is that Nave was throwing out a lot of options that normally wouldn't get punished.
Oh wow.
Like up air on shields or a forward smash read or down smash read. And normally, whereas Zero Suit is fast enough that you can just run away afterwards, Wolf is actually fast enough to punish.
Yeah. Love tap, I disagree entirely, but I respect your opinion. Also, you're not lame. You're pretty chill sometimes. I saw you in doubles, and I was like, let's go. Need some nuts shit. Nave is getting spaced out. I really feel like this is like a terrible matchup.
The lasers do not help at all.
Well, he can just like nair through your fucking your charge shots. Yeah, honestly. Also, that's C-card typing. I saw your Yoshi at Telsaton doubles. It's like the only time I've watched. Love tap. This is
No,
like,
Tap was on stream at Telsaton.
was he?
Yeah, he played against Thor.
Oh, I played against Tom. That's probably what I wasn't watching. This was like Mario Yoshi.
No, he played against Form 2.
What's a man supposed to do? Oh, Tom probably played Mario.
What?
Whatever, watching this.
I am watching it.
You get fucked up, Atomsk.
Oh my god, the reads.
Matt, take away the stream from fucking C-card. Also, we gotta change the names. You're just being a big dummy. Adam has taken the game 1. That wasn't even. I just wanted to look at you. I want to look at your beautiful face. All right, going to Battlefield. The song that plays, the title is fucked up, and I don't know why. I wish I knew.
You care a lot about this music bed.
I do. I want it to look not shitty, but I might have to deal with it.
I love how the Ash build was supposed to be like
Done like
done, not just done
half a
like
year ago.
A year ago, it was supposed to be done, and not only is it not done, it's not being worked on like
That's a lie.
in full. It's just
I'm
like
working on
slowly adding things.
Thank you, Alice. Yeah, I started showing streamer name because then like people would yell at me, and I'm like, I'm not even streaming right now.
Oh, the Nave, downward angle forward tilt.
Yo, back here.
This is a good
Grab ledge.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, no, I'm a lazy piece of shit. So the build it'll be up this December, hopefully. Yeah. I have no other excuse. You're like hiding it from me, aren't you?
What?
See,
Oh, because you keep fucking looking at my phone, Jack.
No, I'm not. It's back here. Yo.
All right, I have to admit, I want Che on for at least a set or two.
Yeah, I'll get off after this. Right. Matt, this is loser semis, I'm pretty sure.
If Che hasn't left, we need to get the legendary
Che Connor.
Legendary.
I really hope Che hadn't left.
Legendary commentary too.
It is.
Dude, that's their start commentating Gatsu.
Dude, that's entirely true. I was saying Nave's gonna lose this set, and then say, "But did you see my edge cancel down B?" Like I can think of the voice, the Nave voice. Oh, stop! That's like stock as fuck.
Yeah, Nave's getting kind of locked.
I must
feel bad.
Reading the shit out of him. Luckily, this is 3 out of 5, but
what?
Luckily, this is 3 out of 5, but if this is another like 2 stock,
well, in this situation, it's not even like something he needs to adapt to. There's nothing he's doing marginally wrong. He's just getting. All right, let's make some observations. Let's pay attention. I wouldn't say that Nave is playing terribly.
He's gonna. Oh wow!
It's just the Wolf can do shit like that.
Yeah, he's just getting overpowered, honestly.
Nair through your neutral game. That's exactly how I describe it. He's being overpowered.
Profound sadness. Alright. Same song plan. Just fuck me up. I did, I thought, but I guess not. I'm gonna have to turn it off after this.
Oh no. Oh, see, like, he just gave it up. Now he's in the corner. This is gonna be a good edge guard. He's living.
Whoa. Oh my god. Don't you woof me. Don't you woof that. Who's woofing?
Jesus.
Oh my god. He's down airing his laser. He wouldn't care. He's in a bad spot though.
This is ridiculous.
It's goofy. The thing is though, when I watch Wolf, I'm not like, ooh, broken. I'm just like, yeah, Wolf's pretty good. What the fuck? I'm not sure if Ellis has posted a copy pasta or a legitimate story in chat.
It has to be copy pasta. There's no way that's not copy pasta.
That'd be a fire copy pasta.
Alright, back to the match. Back to the match. Focus, focus. This is hard to watch.
Honestly. He's just getting dookied on.
Nice. Overpowered is the best word I would use.
Overpowered? Nah. I don't know about that.
What would you use?
Nave should have just played Roy. It has a Roy.
What do you think Nave is doing wrong?
I don't know. I don't know and nothing else. This is bullshit.
What?
Yo, Obi coming out with a let's go Nave. Evan's like, fuck you. Don't say that. Oh my god, Nave, you can't just do that. You can't just be like, oh, I'm just gonna charge jump. You can't just do that.
I mean, the thing is, usually he. Oh, that's.
Boo!
The thing is that usually Nave can. It's Zero Suit. Usually he can and does, but he's just getting punished for it.
Yeah.
A lot
today. I forgot how fucking Atomsk is like old school as fuck.
Yes. I was going through old Windy City PM.
Oh yeah.
Vaults.
My name. Yo! Let's go! Let's go, Nave.
You've seen, those of you who haven't watched it, go watch Octorok vs. Dark Crane.
Yeah, oh yeah.
It's Pooch and Coney commentating.
Yo, Nave should just backdoor him. That would've been nuts.
Oh, Jesus.
Nave, no!
Oh, I thought he was getting shot.
Nave, no! That's it, GG.
Okay.
What the fuck?
Jesus.
The winner is War Weaklings, a bunch of you.
Alright, I'm gonna go see if Che wants to commentate. Let's see if he says it. Let's see if he says what Ellis said.
Nave's eyes just got like.
Alright, I'm gonna go find Che.
Okay. Good God. That looked rough. That looked brutal. Welcome, everyone. Hello. Those of you just joining us, we're here at beautiful WIT Gaming in Aurora for WIT 86, where Nave just got walked on by Atomsk. As Chris sits down to play him for Losers Finals.